Hey there, welcome back. We're going to start with question 78. We skipped one question, alright? Actually, we skipped two. In the video before this one, we skipped question 57, and now we've skipped question 74. These are questions you got wrong. I'm going to make videos just for those questions. My notes on them are not very clear, or I think they drag on the video a bit too much. And what I want to do is put as many videos as possible, as many questions as possible, into one video, okay? So here we are with question 78. You did this question with me. I think you remember it, but anyways, we'll do it. And that's what it looks like. So, right there, 78. Do you see it? Pause this video and write it down, okay? It looks pretty clear. Pause it there. Alright, great. So, let's see, question 78. It says, you have 10 large boxes. Alright, so we should write down our data here. We have 10 large boxes, and each one can hold 8 soccer balls, right? And then you have 10 small boxes, and each one can hold 5 soccer balls. Alright, the soccer balls are of the same size, alright? And then it says that you have 99 soccer balls in total. So here's the situation. Here's the way you would write the information if you wanted to extract it from that problem. Again, you have this problem written down. You're glancing at it as you watch this video. I'm not going so quickly, so you can just reference at a glance whatever you've written down. All right. So then it says, what is the greatest number of boxes you can completely fill? What is the greatest number of boxes you can completely fill? Alright, so let's underline the important words. Greatest is definitely one of them, alright? Because since there's two kinds of boxes, a small box and a larger box, it's possible to fill them up. You can choose two things, obviously. You can choose to start by filling up the larger boxes first, and then whatever's left over, you shove into the small boxes, right? And then you count how many boxes are completely full. No remainders, just the ones that are completely full. Whatever remains out, you don't count that as a box, because that box wouldn't be completely full. The second thing you do is you can start by filling up the small boxes, and then whatever's left over, shove those things into those larger boxes, right? So, again, way number one would be start with the large boxes. Way number two would be start with the small boxes. Got it? So it's the greatest number of boxes. That's the goal, all right? So which one of those ways, way one or way two, which one of those would give you the greatest number of boxes that you can, another one, completely fill, all right? So if there's stuff left over, who cares? You don't count that box, all right? We don't want boxes with space left. We want boxes that are completely full, all right? So let's start doing the large method. I already know it's going to get me the wrong answer. This is a question that I did in front of you, but you would go like this, basically. You would go, here's one box, here's one box, here's another, here's another, here's another. Here's all our large boxes. How do we know they're large? Because each one holds 8. So there's 8 soccer balls in each of these. How many are there altogether? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 8 times 5 is 40, and then on top another. So here we have 80 soccer balls, right? How many are left over? 19, right? Where are we going to put those? Inside the small boxes. We've already used all our large boxes. Pay attention. We just have 10 small boxes left, so let's go. Here's one. This one holds 5. Here's another. Holds 5. Here's another. Holds 5. So that's 5, 10, 15. So, let's see. 80 plus 15 is what? 95. Can we go and put another box? Let's see. That would give us 100. Uh-oh. And then that box wouldn't be full, right? Because it could hold 5. And in order to reach 100, it'd really only be holding 4. So that's not good enough. it wouldn't be completely full, that last box. It'd have space for one more bowl, which we don't have because we only have 99 bowls, right? So let's cross out this one. So if we start with way 1, what was way 1? Way 1 was filling up first the large boxes and then the smaller boxes. If we were to use that method, we would have, again, we'd have filled up how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 boxes, alright, and that's for the first way. So what's the second way we can do this? Well, let's see if it all fits, alright? The second way to do this is to start with the small boxes, alright? I'm going to try to squeeze it here below, alright? And here's a little line to separate this. Those are the leftover balls, by the way. Alright, so here we have how many do these hold? Well, these hold 5. Ready? So we put 5, 5. Okay, take a look. Each one of these. So this bottom row is 5, 10, 15. Wait, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is 50 balls right here, alright? 50 soccer balls, which means how many do we have left over, right? We have 49 left over. Alright, 49 left over, which means we gotta shove them into the other boxes, right? So let's get going. Let's see, can you see this? Yes. Alright, so one box there, one box there, one box there. Which boxes are these? This time, way 2 is here, right? We're starting with this, and then we're going to that. Alright, that's way number 2, so pay attention. This one holds how many? 8, 16, 24, 32. We have 49 left over, so let's keep going. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Uh-oh, what happens if we fill one more up? Nope, we can't, right? It'd take 1, but there'd be 7 left over, so we don't do this one. So this is the number of boxes you would fill if what you did was start first with the small boxes and then go to the larger boxes, right? So let's see how many boxes you completely fill up this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 boxes. So the first way gave us, let's grab a marker. Do we have a marker when we need one? Probably not. Let's take a really good look here. Let's have a pink marker here. 13 boxes, right? Using way 1, and then we have 16 boxes. Alright, let me just move that over. 16 boxes. I'm very sorry, I don't think you were able to see that before. Using way 2. Take a glance. I'm sorry that you couldn't see that before, alright? I apologize. And there you have it. 16 boxes. So which one of the ways fills the greatest number of boxes? Completely. Way number 2. Because it fills 16 boxes. So let's look for this. 16 boxes. That's the greatest number of boxes that you can fill. And that's option K. So let's check our answers. 78. I mean, it's not K. I'm sorry. It's J. Same. I didn't. It's still 16, obviously. The math's still correct. I just didn't look at the letter correctly, so it's J. Alright? You got it. Be careful, too. Be very careful. Look at that. I would have made a mistake. I don't know how. Alright, can't be blind during the test. Doesn't help. So it's J. Got it? Alright, so that's this video. I think I'm just going to upload this one separately from the rest. You'll see the remaining questions that we have to do for your repair video in the video after this, alright? So stay tuned. See you in a bit.